As we have taken the introduction session in which I have already introduced myself Kinjal Sheller, and now onwards I will take your English subject. In introduction already I have given you the summary of this poem photograph. But as many of the students have got the confusion to understand this poem, शायद आपको उसमें समझ नहीं है, and then I have already told you in the live session that I upload the video on YouTube. So now the first poem in 11th science is photograph, and that was written by Shirley Tolson. Shirley Tolson ने ये photograph poem कुछ इस तरह लिखी है, in which she just remembered her mother a lot. Photograph means a frame in which the people has put their snapshots, which captures the memories, जिसमें memories capture होती है. Photographic means give us memory. Photograph का मतलब ही ये है कि वो हमें memories याद दिलाते हैं, what happened in our past, where and when we have taken that photo, that all the things we can remember through the photograph. Here you can see in the picture I have shown you photograph in which 3 girls are there, जिसमें 3 girls हैं, where the poet's mother was there, which was about 12 years old. मैंने यहाँ पे लिखा हुआ है something, but let me start the summary. And 2 of the other girls were there also, that is poet's mother's cousin. जो ये शर्ली टॉल्सन की मदर थी, उनकी 2 cousins भी उनके साथ थे फोटोग्राफ में. When they have taken this photograph, they have taken this photograph when they were on holidays. जब वो holiday enjoy करने गए थे, on the beach में गए थे, वो कुछ ऐसे celebrate कर रहे थे वहाँ पे ये holidays, just like a festival, जैसे कि कोई festival हो. And their uncle has taken this photograph in which 3 girls were there. उनके अंकल ने ये फोटोग्राफ ली थी, जिसमें आप देख सकते हो फोटोग्राफ में कि अंकल जो है दिख रहे हैं, वो फोटोग्राफ ले रहे हैं 3 गर्ल्स के, and 3 girls were smiling in that photograph. और वो फोटोग्राफ में वो स्माइल कर रहे हैं. So let us start the poem. I hope you all are having textbook, so you can go through with this textbook. Let's start the poem Photograph, written by Shirley Tolson. First line, the cardboard shows me how it was when the 2 girl cousins went paddling. 2 girl means one is poet's mother and another 2 girl that is her cousins. एक तो थी पोएटिस की मदर, उसके अलावा 2 गर्ल थी जो थी उसकी कजिन. They were moving to paddling. Paddling means what? To walk nearby the beach. बीच के पानी के साथ जो waves आते हैं उसके ऊपर चलना. This is called paddling. So they were doing paddling over there, each one holding one of my mother's hands. Shirley Tolson says that 2 of the girls hold the mother's hand. Which mother here talking about? Whose mother? Shirley Tolson's mother. So Shirley Tolson told us that in picture I can clearly see that 2 of the girls were holding the hands of my mother, and she the big girl. She the big girl means who the big girl? Shirley Tolson's mother was elder in thrice of the girl. ये जो 3 गर्ल थी उसमें सबसे बड़ी कौन थी? शर्ली टॉल्सन की मदर. Some 12 years around, जिनकी एज शायद 12 ईयर के आसपास थी. All 3 stood to smile through their hair. Their hairs were moving in the air. हवा ऐसे चल रही थी, उनके बाल उठ रहे थे. They were smile as taken the photo on the beach. बीच पे उनकी फोटो ली जा रही थी, तो वो स्माइल कर रहे थे. At the uncle with the camera, as the uncle was having the camera, a sweet face. 3 of the girl has given the beautiful smile. That's why they all looked very sweet. My mother's, that was before I was born. Here the photograph. This photograph was before my born, obviously. was younger, Shirley Tolson की mother उसमें खुद 12 ईयर की है. That means the Shirley Tolson told us that this photograph was before my born. मेरे birth से पहले का photograph है. Here we can see that 3 girls were in the photograph where one was Poety's mother, which was around 12 years old. And Poety's mother was around 12-year-old. And her mother laughed at the snapshot here in the second para. We have given here that at the sea and the sea which appears to have changed the last was that terribly transient fit. Now on the same beach when Shirley Tolson visited the same beach, on that beach when she was started paddling, all the same scenario was the same, but only the thing is changed is her mother's age and her mother's death also. Rest all the things were same over there. Some 20-30 years later, this photograph, the Shirley Tolson has noticed after 20-30 years later, she would laugh at the snapshot. Shirley Tolson's mother was laughed also by this photograph. Even Shirley Tolson की mother भी जब ये photograph देखती थी, she was getting laughed. वो भी हंसती थी. How we all were looked. हम कैसे दिखते थे? How we dressed up at that time. हमने कैसे dress पहने हैं? See Betty and Dolly. Betty and Dolly, 2 cousins of Shirley Tolson's mother. She would say that, and look how they dressed us for the beach. Shirley Tolson's mother says that how we dressed up. उन्होंने कैसे dress पहने थे to enjoy the holiday and to take the photograph. The sea holiday was her past. It is literally a past for Shirley Tolson's mother. Shirley Tolson की mother के लिए ये photograph एक past बन चुका था. Only she can memorize all the things what they have enjoyed on that beach. She can felt now with the photograph only. अब वो photograph देख के सब याद कर सकती है. It was now past. But mine is our laugh. But the most important thing for Shirley Tolson के लिए happiest moment कौन सी थी? As her mother was laughed just looking towards the photograph. जैसे ही वो photograph को देखती वो हंसती थी. ये उनके लिए बहुत ही अच्छी चीज थी. Both right with the labored ease of loss. Now the loss of her mother. Here loss word you have given. ये loss कुछ ऐसा है जो उनकी लाइफ में that comes with the silence. एक उनकी लाइफ में साइलेंट सा माहौल क्रिएट हो गया. Why? Just because Shirley Tolson has lost her mother. अब उनकी मदर उनके साथ नहीं रही थी. As she was passed away. जैसे कि उनकी डेथ हो गई थी. Now she has been dead nearly as many years as the girl lived. Whatever the girl we can see in the photograph, that girl was not now in the present time. अब वो नहीं रही है. Now Shirley Tolson has lost her mother, and of these circumstances, that is nothing to say at all. It's silences. See, now Shirley Tolson can only move to the tombstone. अब वो सिर्फ उसकी मदर की जो कब्र थी वहाँ पे जाके उनके लिए प्रे करती थी. That's it. Rest all the thing, whatever she felt with her mother, whatever the days she passed with her mother, and whatever she shared with her mother, now that mother was not there. अब वो mother नहीं थी. अब वो उसके साथ नहीं थी. As she was passed since many years, काफी साल हो चुके थे कि जिनकी death हो गई थी. That's why just because of this photograph, even Shirley Tolson remember all the things. Shirley Tolson भी वो सारी चीजें याद करती थी जो उनकी मदर ने ये फोटोग्राफ के लिए बताई थी. That is the all about the poem photograph. ये हमारी photograph poem जो मैंने explain की है. I hope now you all can easily understand what is actually our concept for the poem photograph. क्या concept है आप समझ गए होंगे. Here I have written some of the points that you can also note down. जो आप note down भी कर सकते हो, or else I'll send you in the PDF form. और अगर आपको चाहिए तो मैं PDF form में भी send करूँगी. This is our poem photograph. So in the next live session you can ask me whether you cannot get this clearly. अगर आपको समझ में नहीं आया, you can ask me the question in live session. Thank you students.